Hello everyone, today I'm going to be making a beaded chick. To make the chick you need some yellow beads, 3 orange beads, and 2 black beads. To make the knot, take the loop end, put it through the keyring or lanyard hook. Take the non-separated side and put it through that loop. Make sure the ends are equal. Now pull the tighten. This is what it should look like. Now, to make the head, you need 3 yellow beads and put it on the string. Take the other side and put it through the opposite end. Pull it to tighten. Now, to make the eyes, you need 1 yellow bead, 2 black beads, and 1 yellow bead. Take the other string and put it through the opposite direction. Now, to make the beak, you need 1 yellow bead, 1 orange bead, and 1 more yellow bead. Take the other string, put it through the opposite direction. Now pull both ends to tighten. Now for the wings, you need 4 yellow beads, put on the string. Instead of putting the other string through the other side, skip the first bead and put it through the second bead. Skip the third bead and put it through the fourth bead. And now pull the string to tighten. Repeat what you did on the other side. Now take 4 yellow beads and put it on the string. Take the other string, put it through the opposite direction. Now take 4 yellow beads again, put it on the string. Take the other string, put it through the opposite direction. Pull both ends to tighten. Now you need 3 yellow beads. Put it on the string. Take the other string, put it through the opposite direction. Now to make the chick's feet, you need 1 orange bead and put it through this first bead from the previous lane. Do it on the other side too. Put it through this bead. tie knots on each side. You can do a double knot or a triple knot. The beaded chick is done. Cut off the excess string